Hi everyone, Norman here. Today I want to show you how to knit the so-called suspended bind-off. It creates the exact same edge as the normal bind-off, but is a little bit more stretchy because you employ a little trick. Let's show you how to knit it. So start the way you usually would. So knit 2 stitches and then pass over the second stitch. But instead of dropping this loop off the left needle, you keep it on the left needle. So this is the way it looks now. And now you dive into the second stitch and knit it. You knit it, and then will you drop both loops, both these stitches off the left needle. Let's do that one more time. So you pass this stitch over, but you keep it on the left needle, and then dive into the second stitch and knit it. Drop both stitches off the needle. Pass over, keep it on the needle, dive into the second stitch and drop both off the needle. Let's do that a couple of more times in slow motion. So it's really just a very simple trick to keep this loop a little bit longer than usual and create a slightly stretchier edge. Now let's show you how to do the same trick if you want to knit ribbings. So start by knitting 2 stitches. And now if you want to do the alternating suspended bind-off, you need to check what the next stitch is. In this case, it's a purl stitch. And for purl stitch, the yarn needs to be in front. And then you pass over the second stitch, but instead of dropping it off the needle, you keep it on the needle, and now you purl the second stitch. It's a little bit tricky to pull it through, and then you drop the stitch off the needle. Again, check what the next stitch is. It's a purl stitch, so the yarn needs to be in front. You pass over the second stitch, keep it on the needle, and purl the second stitch. Drop both off the needle. The next stitch is a knit stitch, so the yarn can be in the back. You pass over, keep it on the needle, and you knit that stitch. Knits are much easier than purls. Drop both off the needle. Next is a knit stitch, pass over, keep the loop on the needle, knit the next stitch, and drop both. So the next stitch is a purl stitch again. So bring the yarn forward, pass over, keep the loop on the needle, and purl this stitch, drop both off. Next is another purl stitch, so pass over and purl that stitch. Can be a little bit fiddly, but with a little bit of practice it should work. So here we have another knit stitch. Bring the yarn to the back if it isn't already there, pass over and knit. drop both off the needle. Pass over, knit, drop off the needle, and so on. Bring the yarn to the front and so on. So this is the resulting edge. As you can see, a nice in pattern edge that looks exactly as your standard bind off or standard in pattern bind off. Anyway, that's how to knit the suspended bind off. Please like this video if you enjoyed watching. Comment with your feedback and your questions, and of course don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss any new videos. Happy knitting and enjoy the rest of your day.